Hello, my brilliant students. Welcome back to another exciting English language class designed specially to help you smash your WIAC, JAMB, and NECO exams. Today, we're exploring a topic that always shows up in your papers: antonyms, synonyms, and homonyms. These are the backbone of vocabulary and comprehension questions. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only know what they mean, but you'll also learn how to answer exam questions like a pro. Let's dive in. Now listen carefully. When we talk about synonyms, we mean words that have the same or nearly the same meaning, like big and large. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite, like hot and cold. And homonyms, those are the tricky ones, are words that sound alike but have different meanings, like bear and bear. You'll see these types of questions in WIAC, JAMB, and NECO, especially in vocabulary, comprehension, and objective sections. So let's break each one down with examples you can relate to. A synonym is simply a word that shares a similar meaning with another. For example, imagine your teacher says, Chidi is a clever boy. You could also say, Chidi is an intelligent boy. Both words, clever and intelligent, mean almost the same thing. Tip: always remember synonyms can change slightly depending on context. Happy and joyful both mean glad, but you'd use joyful in a more emotional situation, like a joyful wedding in Lagos. Example: the market was crowded with shoppers. A synonym for crowded could be packed, busy, or full. Next up, we have antonyms, words that are the complete opposite of each other. For example, if the weather in Kano is hot, the antonym is cold, just like a Harmattan morning in Jos. Sometimes you form antonyms by adding prefixes, happy to unhappy, but often you just use a totally different word, big to small. Example: the bright sun in Abuja became dimmed during the eclipse. Here, bright and dim are antonyms. Now let's talk about homonyms, words that sound the same but have different meanings and often different spellings. For example, the farmer will sow maize. The tailor will sew the dress. They sound the same, but their meanings are completely different. We can group homonyms into two types: homophones, same sound, different spelling, like right and right. Or homographs, same spelling, different meaning, like lead the group and lead the metal. In exams, you'll be tested on your ability to choose the correct word from context, so always read the full sentence carefully. Let's practice with some real style questions. We'll go one exam at a time. Question 1. The politician's speech was eloquent. A. Dull. B. Fluent. C. Simple. D. Vague. Eloquent means expressing ideas clearly and powerfully. The closest synonym is fluent. Correct answer: B. Fluent. Question 2. The room was spacious. A. Large. B. Cramped. C. Wide. D. Open. Spacious means having a lot of space. The opposite is cramped, meaning tight or small. Correct answer is B. Cramped. Question 3. The hunter saw a dash in the forest. A. Bear. B. Bear. Obviously, it's an animal. Correct answer: B. Bear. Now, let's practice with some JAM questions. Select the word closest in meaning to candid. A. Deceptive. B. Honest. C. Reserved. D. Shy. Candid means open and truthful. The answer is B. Honest. Question 2. Choose the opposite of reluctant. A. Hesitant. B. Willing. C. Slow. D. Cautious. Reluctant means unwilling. The opposite is willing. Correct answer B. Question 3. She will dash the letter to the principal. A. Write. B. Write. The correct spelling for composing a letter is write. Answer is B. Write. Now, for the NECO practice questions, question 1. Choose the word nearest in meaning to vivid. A. Dull. B. Clear. C. Vague. D. Weak. Vivid means bright or clear. Correct answer B. Clear. Question 2. Select the word opposite in meaning to generous. A. Kind. B. Stingy. C. Friendly. D. Ample. Generous means giving freely. The opposite is stingy. Correct answer B. Question 3. The rider dashed the horse. A. Rode. B. Rode. Rode is the past tense of ride. Correct answer B. Rode. All right, let's wrap up what we've learned today. Synonyms, words with similar meanings like big and large. Antonyms, words with opposite meanings like hot and cold. Homonyms, words that sound alike but have different meanings like bear and bear. Here are some exam success tips. Always read the context carefully. It gives clues. Eliminate options that clearly don't fit. Memorize common homonym pairs. They appear often. Relate meanings to real-life Nigerian examples to remember faster. Manage your time wisely. Don't dwell on too long on one question. Well done, champs! You've just mastered antonyms, synonyms, and homonyms, one of the most tested topics in your English exams. Keep practicing, review your notes, and you'll crush your next WAEC, JAMB, or NICO paper. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your classmates. I'll see you in the next lesson. And remember, you're made for excellence.